pinaka-hot na heartthrob ng generation na to, ang new gen matinee idol na laging nagbibigay ng good vibes. Kilala siya sa mga hit projects na kasama si Belle Mariano, tulad ng He's Into Her, Love is Colorblind, An Inconvenient Love, at ang trending na Can't Buy Me Love. And aabangan na din natin ang kanyang soon-to-air TV series which is called Roja. So without further ado, everybody, please welcome Donnie Palavina!
Sino nanalo? Sino nanalo?
Ayan, okay.
Happy Sunday po sa inyo lahat. Hi, Samu Tuyo.
Nice
Saan
to
po
see
ako?
you.
Nice to see you again. Saan po ako? Dito?
Dito.
Okay.
Ayan.
Bye guys! Kamusta naman kayo lahat? Grabe naman yung energy nyo dito. Isang fresh na araw po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po, of course, to my Close-Up family for having me. Sa lahat po na nagka-check out na sa Close-Up, maraming salamat. At mamaya, pupunta tayo sa booth, mamakyaw tayo ng mga products when we do the meet and greet. Maraming salamat guys. Ay, thank you so much. Huwag ka umiiyak.
Oo nga.
Halika nga dito, huwag ka umiiyak.
Diba? Ganyan talaga kabait si Donnie. Yes. Oo.
Hello guys, hello po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for choosing to spend your Sunday here.
Yes, we're so excited na nandito kayong lahat to spend time with Close-Up and Donnie. At kayo na, may pag-game kami.
May pag-game kayo.
Tapos, our friend over here nanalo. She is our #1 participant.
Congratulations. What's your name? Macy. Congratulations,
And so, ito ang
Macy.
prize ni Macy.
This is your prize right here.
And they all have prizes.
Lahat ba
aside
sila
from
may
eating.
prize?
Yes.
Lahat pa na kayo panalo. Ayan.
Congratulations, guys! Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga participants for today.
Tara,
Yes.
picture tayo.
And then we
Picture tayo.
have a picture. Kasali pala ako. Forward. And there you have it, guys. Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga participants
Congratulations,
for the
guys.
Close-Up Dance Freeze. But so nice to see you, Donnie.
So nice to see you too.
Diba? Ang
Kumusta
dami
naman kayo? Titas of Donbell, Donnie Squad, Smile for Donnie, Donbell Radio, Donators, Donbell Worldwide. Ang dami nyo naman nandito. Maraming salamat po.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a great day to spend your Sunday here, no?
Yes, and kanina po sila, actually some of them were here since a while ago. And now we're so
Yun nga,
excited.
nakita ko nga, pumipila sila, hindi po bukas yung mall. Guys, seryoso, maraming salamat. Sobrang salamat po sa support ninyo. Anong oras? 5 a.m.? Nandito kayo 5 a.m.?
Oh, grabe.
Nasa Subic pa ako, nagsa-shooting pa ako ng 5 a.m. Nandito na kayo? Grabe sila.
Oh, yes. Ganun
Ibang
bang
klase.
hardworking.
Maraming
diba?
salamat.
Yes, that's how hardworking. But now, since you're all very hardworking, may pasabog din kami sa inyong lahat because we have a raffle and Donnie is going to help me choose our raffle winner. So guys,
Let's do
ready
it,
na
let's
ba
do it.
kayo? Okay, so ngayon may special tambiolo tayo.
Okay.
Old school.
Ayun, no?
Old school, di ba? So Donnie will help us choose 10 winners of 1,000 Robinsons gift certificates. So ready ka na ba, Donnie?
Gagano'n pa ba yan? O
Yes.
pili na lang?
Or,
Pili na lang?
Oo, pili na
Okay,
lang.
game.
Go.
Sampo?
Oo. Tumbo, yes.
Sabihin
tama.
ko yung pangalan.
Yes.
Ma, Play of 5, Flotilde. Ayan,
Nandito ka ba?
congratulations sa inyo.
Yes, okay. So, yan. That's our first winners. We have
Tayo.
9 more. 9
Okay.
more.
John Michael. Ano yan?
John Michael.
Verish.
Verish. Not Verish.
Verish.
Oo, sorry, John Michael.
Very good, very good. Kailangan may ID kayo to verify. Okay.
Yes, tama.
Angel Charisse Rivera. Wow. Ganda ng pangalan ni
Full
Angel.
name eh, no? Tatlo na yan, tatlo. 7 more, 7.
Stephanie Cruz, congratulations. Susan M. Balbastro, congratulations.
Congratulations, 5 more. We have 5 more winners.
Lorna C. Medina. Lorna C. Medina, congratulations.
There you go. 3 more for?
Roberto Pino. Congratulations din sa inyo.
Yes, congratulations. Second to the last.
Last two. James Luis Chen. Congratulations.
Congratulations. And then last winner. Dun, 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 dun.
House and lot ba to? Ay, di ba?
Robinson Supermarket 1,000 gift certificate. Same na din yun.
Oo, same din yun. Last but not the least, congratulations, May G. Freslilo.
Yes! So congratulations to our 10 winners. Guys, palakpakan naman natin ating mga winners. And si Donnie din, syempre, for helping us pick our raffle winners. And kung wala kayo dito, do not worry because you can claim your prize. Robinson's Supermarket and Close-Up will actually have their official representatives from Indie Event reach out to all of you para makuha ninyo yung mga prizes ninyo. If you are not here, pero sabi nga nila, kailangan nyo ng ID to verify. There you go. And syempre, Donnie...
Picture muna ako dito kay
Opo.
Donnie.
Smile, smile. Guys, picturean nyo. Ooh. Sino ba yung pogi na yan, Donnie? Sino yan?
Ewan ko dyan, ewan ko dyan.
Yung magkamukha sila, no? Magkamukha sila. But we have all of these special people in Robinson's Place, Manila who are here to see you also. Aside from, of course, celebrating with Close-Up in Robinson's Supermarket. So may message ka ba sa kanilang lahat?
Well, of course, mamaya babalik ako dito, mag-meet and greet tayo. Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito. Sa Close-Up family ko, maraming salamat guys for being so supportive ever since. And of course, watch our newest commercial that's already out right now. Salamat po sa lahat na nag-check out na sa Close-Up. Mamaya, tulad ng sinabi ko, bibili po tayo ng product sa booth. And there's a new packaging as well. Kaya fresh na fresh po ako ngayon. Siyempre, bago pumasok dito, nag-close-up talaga ako. At di lang yun, may new improved flavor din ang sigurado magugustuhan ninyong lahat. Siyempre, close-up din ang may antibacterial zinc para sa 24 hours fresh breath with regular use. Kita-kits po dito sa stage. And please, follow niyo po lahat ng social media accounts at Close-Up PH on Facebook and Instagram, Close-Up Philippines sa TikTok para updated kayo sa precious promos and of course all the updates sa Close-Up. And please panoorin niyo po ang newest series namin kaming 21 na, November 21 entitled Roja. So maraming salamat po sa suporta and lahat po ng supporters also for being here and for tweeting and for being online. Just thank you for your support all the time. Alam nyo, ang tagal ng lock-in namin and sometimes we feel under the weather. But whenever I see everyone here, you know, parang mas gumagana ako magtrabaho at gumagaan yung loob ko. So maraming salamat guys. Thank you really so much.
Guys, so kaya ba natin bigyan ng energy si Donnie? Yes! At sabi nga niya, galing pa siya subi kanina. O, diba?
Yes.
Worth it, worth it. Very much worth it.
O pwede po na mag-selfie with the
Of
crowd?
course,
Or
guys.
pwede
Selfie
kayo
na yun.
mag-photo dyan?
So please,
Photo tayo.
please, smile everyone. Huwag kayong magtulakan. Please be careful. Please be careful.
Ayan, sit, photo na lang. Photo.
Ayan.
Smile guys!
Smile kayo. Ay.
Smile
Everybody
dito.
smile! Everybody say close up! Oh, diba? There
Thank you
you
guys.
have it.
Babalik ako mamaya.
Yes,
Maraming
thank you so
salamat.
much, Ronnie. So nice to see you.